Everyone, just a quick reminder, when you're doing mobility training, it is important to just move through the range of motion, not jerking the motion or forcing the end range of motion. You move through a comfortable range of motion that's pain-free for you. And over time, whether it be a week or 2 weeks, you're gonna notice that your mobility, your flexibility, it's going to progress when you do it that way. You're not fighting your body, you're naturally moving through it. So that's what you wanna do. Let's move on to the video. Hey everyone, this is part of my morning mobility series. If you don't know, I like to do 2 to 3 exercises in the morning for my mobility, for my flexibility every single day before I brush my teeth, because I'm not leaving the house without brushing my teeth, so I'm not leaving the house without doing the mobility drills. They're gonna get done. Today we're going to do 3 exercises on the floor. We're going to do a 6-point rocker stretch. We're going to do something called a fire hydrant, and then something called just a T-spine or thoracic spine rotation. Great way to start your morning. Let's go.